Well, what I'd like to do is show you about Revolve here. This is an object that was in my tutorial files, and I'm going to show you how to back out of it too. If you have an object, you can find out how it was built. That's what's really interesting about Inverntor. You can find out how it was built. So if I go over here and highlight over Sketch and go right click and go Edit Sketch, you can see that we're going to jump back to the basic geometry that was involved in creating this sketch. Then I right click again and go Finish Sketch, and here we are. Now what I can do here is I can actually get rid of this revolution. I can just right click and go Delete. But here's the important little message you're going to get. Additionally, delete all of the sketch and features. No, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to uncheck that box and go OK. Now that you see we just have the geometry, and if you look up here, it's never been revolved. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you how to revolve. So you create your geometry. This geometry that you see here is pretty much unnecessary. We don't need that geometry at all. And to be able to work on that, we'd have to go back into Sketch and Edit Sketch. We could go back in here and throw that geometry away. If anything, maybe I'd want to dimension this like that. Okay, I think that has all the dimensions. It's going to revolve on this center line that you see here. The hole does not go through the object. Okay. If I wanted a hole to go through the object, what I could do then is I could come up here and I could sketch a line. Okay, and let's go in the top and make sure that it's perpendicular, and it is. And if I'm not sure, just pick the line and go up here and go horizontal. Okay, constraint, that's good. Okay, it's telling me I'm going to pick the line and I'm going to go to construction. Oops, excuse me. Pick the line and go to the construction. So now it's construction line, so it's actually not part of the geometry. Okay. I wanted to define a distance on that, so I'm going to go either from the inside edge. I'm going to put a hole through this, and I want my bore to be 10 millimeters, so I'm going to go 5 millimeters because that's going to be the half of the bore. Okay. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go Done, and I'm going to right click and go Finish Sketch. I'm going to go up here to Revolve. Okay. Notice how it highlights the 3D geometry. Okay. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick my axis, which is going to be that. And then I get a choice, obviously, of either doing a full or between, and I can define that, or an angle, and I can define that. Here you see 90. I could make it 180. Okay. So anyway, those are all the things you can do. I'm just going to do a full revolve and go OK. And there is my project there. Okay. Let's take a look and look inside of it. Okay. So Revolve is just we're very used to Revolve, having used AutoCAD. It's a very simple project. Okay. So I just wanted to give that to you, and I'm going to give you a couple more today.